Hey guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're excited to show you a brand new feature in the 2810, 2670, and 2680 Model Z floor plans, and it's our all-new Dinesk. Our innovative Dinesk is a cool feature that gives you versatility on your camping trips. So there's 4 different positions. First of all, we're gonna start in the travel mode. So that's what it looks like here. There is going to be a travel latch off to the side to keep it in place while you're on the road. It does have a magnet that will catch it when you lift it up, so it's not going to get in the way when you want to slide left to right in the different positions. So I'm going to bring it to the center here and then pull out. And then we do provide 2 different storage ottomans that double as stools. You can also use them as footrest if you're sitting on the sofa, or a little end table as well. So you can have one on each side here for 2-person seating. You can extend it out even further. And you'll see that gap, but don't worry, because our new feature is the leaf that's integrated in, just like our Model Z Dinesk. So here you can get that 4-person seating. In addition to the storage ottomans, we do provide 2 folding chairs that are pretty comfy as well. The next 2 positions are going to be when you move left to right. So you can then move your chair over and then achieve a L-shaped desk position, which is awesome if you're working from home or on the go. Another awesome thing about this setup is that you get a ton of storage built into the Dinesk as well. So underneath you'll find 3 different cabinet doors. 2 of the cabinet doors are going to have drawers that pull out. Up above you'll find a huge utensil drawer. Not only can you use this for your utensils, but you can also put any desk supplies or just make it a junk drawer. Best part of it all is that it's still got that soft close on it as well.